outages. In other words, we saw, over the last few months, AWS had an outage, Microsoft had an outage, Cloudflare had an outage, stopped the internet from working. And many people who owned their own storage systems, kept on moving. In other words, they weren't interrupted because they weren't dependent on a cloud provider. That lack of dependency really means a lot to certain businesses. Not everybody. Everybody's going to have a different way of thinking about that. But if you're freaked out about somebody else owning your data and having your control of your data because you're renting a storage system versus owning it, this is obviously going to be a better option for you. Well, anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my other videos on this channel. Also, check out my InfoWorld Cloud Computing blog, my 100+ LinkedIn Learning courses, and of course, my Generative AI Architecture course out on Go Cloud Careers. And finally, my latest books, Unlocking the Power of Cloud and An Insider's Guide to Cloud Computing. So until next week, stay very, very safe. The magical YouTube algorithm thinks this is another one of my videos that you should watch now.